Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've tried to connect to a VPN on Windows and got hit with error 800, unable to establish the VPN connection, this video is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll explain what this error actually means, why it happens, and then I'll walk you through the fixes so you can get connected again. Let's start with what this error actually means. Error 800 is a generic VPN connection failure code in Windows, and it basically tells you that your computer tried to reach the VPN server but couldn't establish a connection using any of the available protocols, without giving you much more specific detail than that. Because it's such a broad error, there are several different things that can cause it. The most common cause is an incorrect server address, meaning the VPN server name or IP address entered in your connection settings is wrong or has a typo, so Windows simply can't find anything to connect to. Another very common cause is a blocked port, since VPN connections rely on specific ports and protocols, like PPTP, L2TP, or IKv2, and if your firewall, antivirus, or even your router is blocking these ports, the connection will fail and trigger this error. It can also happen because of an issue with your internet connection itself, since if your network is unstable or has restrictions, especially on public or workplace networks, the VPN simply can't reach the server. Sometimes the problem is on the server side, meaning the VPN server you're trying to connect to is down, overloaded, or misconfigured, which has nothing to do with your device at all. And in some cases, it's caused by outdated network drivers or corrupted VPN adapter settings on your Windows machine, which prevents the VPN connection from initializing properly even when everything else is set up correctly. Now let's go through the fixes. The first thing to check is your server address. Go back into your VPN connection settings and double-check that the server name or IP address matches exactly what your VPN provider gave you, since even a small typo here will cause this error every time. Next, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Temporarily disable them and try connecting again. And if the connection works with them off, you'll need to add an exception in your firewall for VPN traffic, or specifically allow the ports your VPN protocol uses, which is typically port 1723 for PPTP or ports 500 and 4500 for IKv2 and L2TP. After that, try swiffing the VPN protocol you're using. Go into your VPN connection properties, click on the Networking tab, and try changing the type of VPN from automatic to a specific protocol like L2TP or IKv2, since sometimes one protocol is blocked on your network while another works just fine. You should also restart your router and modem, since this clears out any temporary network restrictions or blocked connections that might be preventing the VPN traffic from getting through properly. Another good step is to check whether the issue is on the server side. Try connecting to a different VPN server if your provider offers multiple locations, and if that works, the original server was likely down or overloaded, rather than there being an issue with your device. If none of that works, update your network adapter drivers. Open Device Manager, find your network adapter under Network Adapters, right-click it, and choose Update Driver, since outdated drivers can sometimes interfere with how Windows establishes VPN connections. Finally, if you're still getting error 800 after all of this, try removing the VPN connection completely and setting it up again from scratch. Go into your Windows VPN settings, delete the existing connection profile, restart your computer, and then create a brand new VPN connection using the correct server details, since this clears out any corrupted configuration that might be causing the problem. And that covers everything you need to understand and fix VPN error 800 on Windows. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more tech fixes like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.